Okay guys, Nebraska Farmer here, and we're live. We are chisel plowing. This is the last day of chisel plowing, as we have that left, which I will get done with. This tractor's an 8285R with a 16-foot sunflower 4211 chisel plow. And we're right by a creek, so I'm gonna set you here when I turn around. We're running about 6 miles an hour here. Running auto steer, and I'm using iTech. Yeah. It's pulling pretty good, but not terribly hard. We are using iTech and auto steer. iTech, you can program it to do just about anything. It's this button right here. That's your auto steer button. You can program it to shift down, lift the implement up, shift back up. You get the idea. But we have it programmed to you pull it back and